Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on full, empty, half full. The three ideas of full, half full and empty are very important in real life, and students need to understand what they mean. Luckily, there are many examples in real life that teachers can use to teach students about these three areas. Talk about containers that are full. For example, a full glass of liquid, a full bucket of sand, and a full box of items. And there are many, many more you can come up with. Talk about containers that are empty. The empty jar, empty glass, empty box, and an empty truck. And there are many other examples you can present to them. Talk about things that are half full. A half full glass of water, a half full jar of marbles, a half full box of these items, and a half full bucket of fish. Looks like they're fillets of some sort. Get the students to talk about containers they have seen that are full. Invite them to draw two containers and colour them. So these two containers would be full. Get the students to talk about containers they have seen that are empty. Invite them to draw two containers and colour them. So the two containers would be empty. And get the students to talk about containers they have seen that are half full. Invite them to draw two containers and colour them. So these containers here would be half full. And here's another, just a simple little example here. Draw marbles to make the jar half full. And you can extend that to any other containers, and the questions can be phrased in any way you like. So this video has introduced students to the idea of full, half full and empty, and we've seen some examples in real life.